everybody, I'm Pia from Stitches and Scraps. Today I'm going to show you how to make a slip-slip knit decrease. For this tutorial, I'm using a set of Knit Picks Options interchangeable needles. I'm also using Brava worsted weight yarn, which is also from Knit Picks and We Crochet. Knit Picks and We Crochet sent me the yarn and the needles for my raglan baby sweater knit along, and I will leave the link for that knit along in the description on this video. The slip-slip knit is a decrease that works 2 stitches together so that they lean to the left. First, we're going to slip and slip. We're going to slip both of these stitches one at a time, knitwise with the yarn held at the back. So my yarn's at the back and I slip the first stitch by inserting my needle as though I'm going to knit and then slipping it. Then I slip the second stitch in the same way. Now what I've done is basically twisted these 2 stitches. If I was to put them back onto my non-working needle, you would see that they are sitting opposite the way they're supposed to be normally. So they're just twisted. But I'm not going to put them back on my non-working needle. Instead, I'm going to insert my non-working needle. This is my working needle, this is my non-working needle. I'm going to insert my non-working needle back in through the 2 stitches that I slipped. And now you can see that I'm set up perfectly to knit them. So I'm just going to go ahead and knit these 2 stitches now together. Twisting the stitches makes them lie differently than if I had just knit them together, which is what makes the decrease lean to the left. Let's take another look. First, I slip the first stitch knitwise with my yarn held in back. Then I slip the second stitch knitwise with my yarn held in back. Now I'm going to insert my non-working needle back into those 2 stitches in the front, and you can see that I'm set up to knit. So I'm going to go ahead and finish knitting those 2 stitches. And that is the slip-slip knit decrease. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, or leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more great videos. Thanks for watching.